So what is up, Africana fam? Jumping straight into this video. This video is sponsored by Wiggins hair. I have their Brazilian body wave in a 13x6 frontal wig, and this is their 180 density. So right now what I'm doing is I already have her wig cap already on, and I'm just cutting out her ear tabs. And now we're gonna go ahead and use our 91% alcohol just to clear off any of the makeup that was on the wig cap, because I tried to make the wig cap her skin color, and you just want to make sure any oils are removed. So right now I'm going in with my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 layers of this right around the perimeter of the wig cap. You guys, you just want to make sure you do nice thin layers, and I'm using a popsicle stick just to smooth it down so we can have it nice and flat. Again, you want to make sure that you have nice even layers, and I believe I did 3 to 4 coats. I'm not too sure because I kind of switched up my frontal glue game a little bit, so I think I used 4. I could be wrong though, but 3 to 4, it's perfectly fine. And I just went ahead and did those layers, and you want to make sure that they dry completely clear before you do that. Now what I do now is I use the Bold Hold wig tape on the ear parts just so that the wig could stick even more, because again, I feel like that place is the part where it comes off the most at. So yeah, I just did that on both sides of where the ear is at, and now we're gonna go ahead and place the wig on top of the glue. And by the way, I went ahead and tinted her lace with the color of her skin color with my foundation as well, just to be clear that I did tint the lace. Now I'm just going in with my rat tail comb and my blow dryer on medium heat. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my rat tail comb just to smudge in that glue. We want to make sure that the hair is nice and laid, mamita. You feel me? Now on to the next section. I'm going to go ahead and use my scissor and cut these slits in her lace just so I could cut the lace in sections. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my eyebrow razor just to cut the lace. I want that jagged look. I don't want it straight across, just so that the lace is less noticeable. This lace is more on the thinner side, which I actually really like. It kind of replicates the HD lace, you guys. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that lace around, and then I'll be using my glue to fill in any spots that I missed. Now to melt the lace even further, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got2b freeze spray and spray it all around the perimeter just to make sure that everything is nice and laid and melted. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning out her baby hairs, and we're gonna go ahead and use my elastic band just to tie that around her head so that the lace can melt even more. And as you guys can see, like, that lace is melted. You feel me? Like, I didn't even need baby hairs for this, but you know, my sis wanted some baby hairs, so we're gonna do some baby hairs. You know, there's no shame in our game. We're gonna do baby hairs. Whatever your client asks for, it shall be given, and that's that. So you can let the elastic band sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I already took it off, and I already parted her hair down the middle. And as you guys can see later on, it wasn't really parted in the middle. Well, I fixed it later on, so don't come and judge me and all this extra stuff. But right now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I used the Nairobi setting lotion just to set her hair and to I don't know, like, just to flatten out that hair, because I wasn't feeling it. Like, it was still a little too humpy, too lumpy. Mommy thought we need to fix that. So I just used that on top of with the hot comb just to, you know, make it less humpy. And right now I'm going in with my razor comb, and I'm gonna cut her baby hairs about an inch, you know, an inch long. We want to make sure that they're not too long but not too short either. And I'm just gonna cut around her perimeter. Now I'm just putting the Nairobi setting lotion around her hairline, and I'm going to start forming her baby hairs with the setting lotion and my rat tail comb. And the baby hairs that I'm doing right now, they're nice and stuff, but I ended up toning them down just a little bit because we didn't have that much forehead space to work with, so I fixed it later on, and I went ahead and tied it down with a satin scarf just so it could set and dry up. And now going into the styling, I'm using my what is this called? What kind of curler? My Marcel iron, guys. I love this iron to death. This is like the best thing to curl with. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl her hair with some nice big Kim K curls. I'm just pinning them up just so that it could last longer and be more curlier. And as you guys can see, it's looking very voluptuous, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off those pins out of her hair. I'm gonna use the big comb to comb out her hair so we can have that nice flowy look, you guys. And this is pretty much the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content like this. You feel me? And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next segment. And stay tuned for the next clip because everything's gonna be fixed. As you guys can see, my sis looks poppin'. Follow me, do all that, subscribe to me, and that's it. I'll see y'all later.